Hello, this is Salty323 and welcome back, and I believe the sound volume should be good this time. Well, hopefully. And we're back to modding, yes. Well, how to mod. This is gonna be mainly the units episode, which I'm not entirely sure how to do. All it does, well, it needs this, the export description unit, which can be found in the data file. Basically, everything's in the data file. And actually, with this one, I'll be using this a lot more because I don't actually know where to find things. I basically go here and just go, oh, that's where, and so on and so forth. The thing is with this one, I don't really understand it. Okay, I get here that these barbarian peasants come from Dacia. The formation is horde, which I guess means not like organized, just scattered. Slingers square. I'll find a what's this? Class like infantry. Formation square. Sword. Swordsman. Walk. Formation is square again. Where is yeah, this is a problem. A lot of it is just barbarians to start with because of it does it alphabetically, yes. So let's find, so I'm at Greek. Silver shield pikeman. Square phalanx. So I guess I could like change that to the, let's say the Cantabrian circle thing. I get it. So that's the shape they're in to begin with, and that's like the ability. So yes, it's pressing F. Pressing F gets them into phalanx mode. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's gonna happen quite a bit because of I'm not sure how. Yeah, I am right. Square to start with, wedge to end with. Wedge, yeah, I get it. So attributes. I guess that means what they can do without like special abilities and like effects against who. For example, hardy, I believe that means high morale. Hide in a forest, it can do that. Seafaring, I have absolutely no clue. Okay, so and it also has like the kind of voices and stuff like that. Like when you click on a general's unit, it says something. Now, what I would like to do is make the companion cavalry into a general's bodyguard all the time, because of the companion cavalry came before Rome Total War started. Heavy onagers, Roman archers. So there you go. But I'm not sure what it means by stat cost. It just makes no sense, because if it's got 440, my guess is that these three I count for the upgrades. Like, let's just go. It takes 170 to upgrade the morale, the chevrons. Goodbye. Triarii and stuff like that. Ownership, and it's also got ownership, so you could go Numidia and stuff like that. So that's quite interesting, and this is the way how I believe you could like balance it and stuff like that. And that's like the disciplines, like morale and stuff like that. But I thought that was... I don't know. Okay, so I get something now. Yeah, basically, all of the things to do with the units is just in this Word document, well, text file. But who cares, you can open it in Word and be perfectly fine. But basically, it's got a primary... Okay. So, it doesn't have a secondary attack like the cavalry does with going for a sword or mace and stuff like that. But why does it still say there? Just start secondary. That's confusing now. Although I like the fact that it doesn't have... It shows... That's the armor. It's so strange. It just doesn't make sense to me at the moment. Now, this is a pretty bad thing, considering I am... The series is basically how to mod these. Aha, I have no idea what to do. So, I can check if my assumption is correct, that it's 130, 190 and bloody blah, by just minimizing, and will it work with game? Is it working? I can't tell because I can't Alt-Tab just yet. Skip everything. Okay, it wasn't working. Properties. Refresh. Okay. It's working now. So... Ooh, that lag. That frames rate. So bad. Just start. Let's just go like that. Why not? So it was... Let's have a look at the text document. So it was 1,000 to 1,220. So let's go back to the game. Okay, now how much is that? Okay, so time to do some maths. Find random piece of paper. So at the moment it is 120. Well, 1,220. 158. But that doesn't work with my thing of, because of it should be still a 0 at the end. So how does it work? Because if I can't see anything else which is talking about cost, and that seems to be right, what on earth does it mean by that too? Let's just have a look at something by finding a calculator, which apparently doesn't work. Curse you! So let's find my mouse. Please have a calculator. Thank you. So it would be 1508 minus 1220. 288. That makes no sense at all. Because of, it's close to the 310, but it still isn't correct. Because of, it's not exactly 310. I was thinking the 2 was just like minus. Like, so it would be 308 instead of 310, but then you would just go, what's the point in having that minus thing there? Why not just go 308? I honestly have no clue. This one I'm really gonna need your help on. Or let's do the clever thing. Go here. What's this export unit I hear? How to change the cost. So category infantry, yeah, that's obvious. I got that. I'm not stupid. Soldier from left to right, this. Name of soldier model to use. Okay, this. Bloody bloody blah. Okay, officer, mount. Type of animal or vehicle ridden on. Okay, so I understand that now. Mount effect. Positive or negative factors. I did get that. Okay, this bit I understand. So see. Now, seafaring, the unit can board ships, can sap, hide in forest, hide in land anywhere, run amok, berserkers basically, general unit, this unit can be used for a general's character's bodyguards, canterbrain circle, no custom, the unit may not be selected in custom battles. Command, the unit carries a legionary eagle, gives bonuses to nearby mercenary units, unit available for all factions, hardy, very hardy, hardy basically means you fatigue less. Druid, warcry, screeching women, can swim, can hoard. Legionary name gives a name and number to unit based on the region it is created from. Okay, formation, I understood that. Health, stat health. Did I look at the stat health? 1 and 1, 0. Hit points of each soldier, following by hit points attached. Animal, if applicable. So, they've only got 1 hit point. According to that. Everyone has 1 hit point. Let's find some cavalry. Ooh, this one has 2 hit points. War dogs, a 1-1. 1-1. 2-0. Oh. So the cavalry has no hit points. The horses have no hit points. I'm completely getting this wrong. I just have no clue whatsoever. Because of just like stat hit points. But it doesn't actually say. Because of how could a horse have 0 hit points and still be able to survive? And unless I'm reading it wrong and the horse has 1 hit point and the guy on top doesn't have any hit points. Legionary cavalry, 1-0. 1-0. What the heck? Because of that just doesn't make sense. Just... Oh, I get it. I'm an idiot. Yes, I'm an idiot. Basically, let's just go back to there and see the video in the background moving very quickly. In other words, this is why I don't use OBS for recording Rome Total War. I use Fraps. It's just that Fraps can't record screens, and sorry about my chair, it's very squeaky. But I get it now, I think. So let's have a look at the Roman cavalry after having a quick look at this. Attack factor, attributes. Oh, it stands for attribute. Oops. So soldiers defense, armor value, defensive. Okay, so by the looks of it, the armor here also goes on the horse as well. So let's find Praetorian cavalry. Praetorian cavalry has let's write this down. 11, 7, 4. That's just 22. Why not just go why not? Because of it's obviously got flesh, which I should just go like that. But why doesn't it work like that? I just don't know. But let's move on from that. Don't save. Mainly because I'll forget what I just did and then lose everything. which would not be good. If something isn't... okay. If something isn't worked, is not used, why have it in the first place? But I now know what... Ugh. Lots of stuff, just detail. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. It had everything up here. Every single thing. Yet I've been looking at that. I'm an idiot. Idiot. Okay, so... Heat. Extra fatigue suffered by unit in hot climate. Okay, that's interesting to know. But let's have a look at the cost. So... Cost of... What? Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. Now. The reason why it doesn't have a cost for OBS. The reason why it doesn't have a cost for doing this is because of that file which I've been showing you a lot is only for the campaign. I should have remembered. So I now get that. Now let's go on to the next thing. How to create a unit. This looks so much more complicated. Okay, so... Okay, well, there are a few things which I can't actually do, unfortunately. This is because of I haven't actually got the thing which will open a .cas file, or I don't think I've got a .tga. Yeah, I need this and also some other thing. The thing is, you can download it here. Just open. Well, you should be able to, because of that's what it says. Oh yeah, this is what I have to also do, is something which I can actually do by myself after reading it. Basically, do you know how I run Rome Total War in Windows mode? Like this. I can do this because of I have... Where's Steam? That's chat. Okay, so G1. Thank you very much. Yeah, G1 macro. I can do that because of... Where's Rome? Ah, there. I can do that because of properties. It's in one of these. Flip, I can't remember. Ah, set launch options. -NE, so let's just close this. And let's go -A not AOI, AI. This basically means that in the campaign, the AI does everything. So you can see if what you're doing is actually balancing the game or not, which I think is brilliant. Although this will mean that it won't be in borderless windowed, basically. Now, it should be making the thing. If not, I'm going to be quite annoyed. Start, Imperial campaign. Start. Skip. Just skip. As soon as I hear the thing going fuzzy because of, well, not really fuzzy, but laggy because of, it just doesn't like OBS. So, my guess is if I go dash it is doing it. And then I could go go underscore the slow moving camera. Let's see what AI New Media is doing. Okay, Germany just got to places basically where Prussia was. Are they already attacking Caralis? I'd be kind of surprised. Okay, so Scipii now has that. So, there you go. Really? Fine, just Alt-Tab. Hopefully that was doing it. Yes, it was. But now let's just do scene and close. Fine, I'll go start manager and task. And now, yes. Why would I be asking you to cancel? Good, you're gone. Thank you for going away. But that's basically what you can do, and wow, I've been recording for about half an hour. That is quite surprising. Although I would actually do it with Fraps because of it works better. I'm just lazy and can't be bothered to edit. And besides, I can only really edit in very simplistic ways. Minimize. Tools, which I can't actually open. So where is it? Data. Fine, go into queue. Oops. I used that too many times. Steam apps, common, one sec, let me just check something. I need to kind of check if it still kind of works the way I hope it does. Good, it does. Where's Rome? Yeah, sorry about that. It's just that I kind of needed to check something. So data, where was it? My mind's completely gone blank, sorry. Models unit. Models unit. Textures. And then open that, which I can't open because I don't have the right thing, but I can get some things from this. Like this. For example. NVIDIA, yes. I've got an NVIDIA graphics card, so I think it will be perfectly fine. And stuff like that. And there you go. That's the end of today's episode. This has been Salty323. I hope you have enjoyed. And hopefully next time I will know what I'm doing more. Let's actually find out what the thing is. Graphics. Oh no. No. Well, actually, it's a shorter thing, and I've still hopefully have Adobe Photoshop. "10 days remaining." Oh dear. And I've basically done absolutely nothing to actually mod the flipping game. Oh, flip. I did it again. Broadcasting, no. Video, no. Audio, no. Advanced. Which is the one which I go... Apply? No. That's microphone noise, hotkeys, no, audio, no, video. Where is the thing? Where's the you can see my mouse? I don't know. Ooh, wow. What does this do? I don't know. Let's just get it back to 32. No. Advanced. Multi-thread optimizers, other modifier hotkeys, disabled encoding while previewing, audio. Where the flip is it? Hotkeys, nope, that isn't it, and it's definitely not gonna be an audio. It's not here. Okay. Video, not there. Encoding, no, so it has to be in general. Apply, okay. But where is it? Okay, I'll have to figure that out next time. So there you go. This has been Salty323. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, and sorry I haven't really talked about much. Well, I've talked about much, but not really useful things for modding. Yeah. I'm basically modding it to just understand what half the files mean. So yeah, it's kind of, I'm in a paradox at the moment. I need to understand how the files work so I can mod the game, but I need to mod the game to understand how the files work. Yeah! Brilliant! Very bad. Very, very bad. But there you go. Let's stop recording. Ooh, I haven't dropped the frames. Huzzah! And my frames per second has been 30 throughout. Yeah, well, apart from Rome Total War, most likely. When I had that open and was showing you the video. Now I'm just showing you black for randomness. Basically moving from... I can't do it. Okay, let's just go... Yeah. I have an idea. Let's say if I clicked on game here, it would change to the properties of game, which I don't want you to do it. I want to show properties of it. Can you kindly not do that? Please. I'm begging. But, oh well, let's just stop recording.